Okay. Hello, guys. I wanted to do one last lesson with you today, and I'm sorry, I know we've done a lot already. I'm tired, but I do want to do this journal page with you so we don't miss a day. Okay. When those of you who are going to be in school tomorrow, we'll do our page tomorrow. And if I have time, I'll record for those of you who are not going to be here so you can see too. So you don't miss any days of observing the caterpillars. So first I'll show you the caterpillars and what they're doing now. Can you see them? Okay, if you see they're already hanging from the top of the lid, or they crawled up to the top of the lid. I see, I don't know if you can see, I don't want to move them too much because I don't want them to fall off of the lid. But there's 1, 2, 3 already on the lid. One is hanging and 2 are just kind of up there on the very top. If you can see, they're flat on the top. There's one that's crawling up toward the top, and then there's one that is lower, if you see that. So there's 5 total. There's 3 already on the lid, 1 that is close to the lid, and 1 that is more toward the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. There's 5. Okay, so I just want to complete the page with you for today. So this, I think, is our 3rd day of writing in the journal, day 3. So we'll write day 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we'll circle the stage the butterfly is in. They're not butterflies yet, they're caterpillars, which is the larva stage. Okay, and if you want, you can change the color of your circle, your pen. So you can circle in a pen, pencil, crayon. Okay, and then we'll write a sentence, a short sentence. What are the caterpillars doing right now? We can look at our words to get some ideas. I observe. We'll use our scientific word, observe, instead of I see. I observe our caterpillars crawling, eating, sleeping. We could even say hanging. They're not butterflies yet, but they're hanging. Looking, playing, moving. There was one moving right now. I don't know if it's kind of moving still. Okay, let's see what. We can pick anyone. I think I'll pick moving. I'll pick moving or crawling. They are moving a little bit. Let's take another look. They're moving ever so slightly, slowly. So we could write, I observe the caterpillar moving. I'll make it a little bigger so you can see better. I observe, O-B-S-E-R-V-E. That's just another word for see. Scientists observe. I observe the caterpillar, C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R, long word. I observe the caterpillars moving, M-O-V-I-N-G, period. Okay, that's our sentence. Oh, and I forgot, I'm sorry. We also could draw a picture. So we have a picture of a jar. We can draw our caterpillars. So I think I'm going to draw caterpillars. I'll lighten them a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to draw what they're doing now. So there's how many that are kind of lying flat on the lid? There's 2, if you can see them. Kind of. I don't want to move the cup too much, sorry. There's 2 that are kind of laying flat against the lid. And 1 is kind of hanging there, hanging around. And another one on the other side is sort of crawling up to the top, getting close to the top of the lid. And then there's another one down here. Okay, and then we have a little mess of food and things at the bottom. I'll draw that. So one of them is sort of just hanging out at the bottom down here. Okay, so those are our caterpillars. Okay, so that's our observation journal for today, day 3. They're still in the larva stage and they're moving around. Oh, look at here. Now we'll see it. Oh, it was moving and then it stopped. Maybe it stopped because it doesn't like to be picked up. The one right here was moving. Okay, I'll leave it alone now. Okay, so that is our observation journal page for today. Okay, I will let you go now. Have a good afternoon. We'll see you later. Bye.